Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the swap gate. The swap gate. Okay. So first, we're going to start off with a Hadamard on the first qubit line, the first qubit, and we're going to use an X gate or NOT gate on the second qubit line. All right. So what we're going to do is, you see, I'm starting out with 50% probability on the first qubit, which is a Hadamard, and that's because the Hadamard gate puts the qubit in a superposition of um, where it's both 1 and 0 at the same time, right? It could either be a 0 or 1 at the same time with 50% probability. The X gate, when you use the X gate, it goes from 0 to the 1 state, so that's 100% probability. Okay, so let's use the swap gate, and you're going to see that those two flip. All right, you see how those flip? Before I used this swap gate, this was at 50%. Because this was in a superposition of both being 0 and 1 at the same time. And this one was at 100%, but now it's 50%. So what happened is, when I used the swap gate, whatever was on this line, it jumped to the second line. And whatever was on the second line jumped to the first line. It swapped. The function swap. All right? The gate swap. All right? So we're going to try that again. So you can see it again. Okay, I'm going to say this again. We got this Hadamard gate in a superposition. 50% probability it could be a 0 or 1 because it's in a super state of being both 0 and 1 at the same time. And this second gate is in 100% probability because when you use the X gate, it goes from 0 to the 1 state. But now when I use this swap, the gates are going to swap to each other's qubit line. It switched. So now this X is on the first qubit line, and this Hadamard gate is on the second qubit line. It's on the second qubit because I swapped the gates using this swap gate. So that's it. I hope you learned something, and I hope that I made it as simple as possible for you to understand.